To set up Zelle in Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account through the website or mobile app. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section found in the main menu. Here, you will see the option for Zelle. Next, click on the Zelle option to begin the setup process. If you have not previously enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile number. It is important to ensure that the email or phone number you provide is accurate, as Zelle will send a verification code to confirm your identity. Enter the code when prompted to complete the verification process. After verification, you will need to link your Zelle account to your Charles Schwab account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step, which may involve selecting the bank account you want to use for Zelle transactions. Once linked, you can start sending and receiving money through Zelle directly from your Schwab account. Finally, familiarize yourself with Zelle's features such as how to send money, request payments, or review your transaction history. Keep in mind that transfers are typically instant, but it is always good to double-check any transaction limits or fees associated with Zelle through Charles Schwab services. You are now ready to use Zelle for your financial transactions.